friends! I'm so happy you're here with me today. Do you remember when we learned how to read a clock together? We learned about the shorthand and the longhand, and we learned about o'clock times. Well, today we're going to learn 3 new cool ways to tell the time: half past, quarter past, and quarter to. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's do a quick review. Remember this analog clock? It has 12 numbers and 2 hands. The shorthand tells us the hour, and the longhand tells us the minute. When the longhand points to the number 12, that means it's something o'clock. Look, the shorthand is on the 3, and the longhand is on the 12. What time is it? That's right, it's 3 o'clock. Great job. Now, are you ready to learn something new? Let's go. Okay, friends, I want you to imagine something with me. Imagine we have a big, yummy pizza, a whole round pizza. Doesn't that look just like a clock? Now, if we cut the pizza right down the middle into 2 equal pieces, each piece is called a half. Can you say that with me? Half. Now, look at the clock. If we cut it in half, 1/2 goes from 12 all the way down to 6. When the longhand starts at the 12 and moves all the way down to the 6, it has gone halfway around the clock. That's why we call it half past. Look at this clock. The shorthand is on the 4, and the longhand is pointing to the 6. The longhand went halfway around, so the time is 4:30. We can also say 4:30. Let's try one more. The shorthand is on the 10, and the longhand is on the 6. What time is it? Can you say it? That's right, it's 10:30, or 10:30. You're doing great. Now, let's go back to our pizza. Instead of cutting it into 2 pieces, let's cut it into 4 equal pieces. Each piece is now called a quarter. Can you say that with me? Quarter. A quarter is smaller than a half. 2 quarters make 1/2. Now, look at the clock. When the longhand starts at the 12 and moves to the number 3, it has gone 1/4 of the way around. That's why we call it quarter past. Now, look at this clock. The shorthand is on the 5, and the longhand is pointing to the 3. That means the longhand has gone 1/4 of the way around. So the time is 5:15. We can also say it's 5:15, because when the longhand is on the 3, that means 15 minutes have passed. Let's try another one. The shorthand is on the 9, and the longhand is on the 3. What time is it? Can you say it? That's right, it's 9:15, or 9:15. You're doing amazing. Now, let's learn one more. This one is called quarter to. Remember our pizza clock with the 4 quarters? When the longhand goes from the 12, past the 3, past the 6, and it gets to the number 9, it has gone 3/4 of the way around. And that means there's 1/4 left before it gets back to the number 12. The last piece of the pizza is the quarter that's left. That's why we say quarter to, because we're 1/4 away from the next hour. Look at this clock. The shorthand is almost at the 8, and the longhand is pointing to the 9. That means we're 1/4 away from 8 o'clock. So we say it's 7:45. We can also say it's 7:45. Let's try another one. The shorthand is almost on the 3, and the longhand is on the 9. What time is it? That's right, it's 2:45. or 2:45. Great job, friends! So, now we know 4 ways to read the clock. Let me show you. When the long hand is on the 12, it's o'clock. When it's on the 3, it's quarter past. When it's on the 6, it's half past. And when it's on the 9, it's quarter to. That's so cool, right? Now, do you want to play a game? I'm going to show you some clocks, and I want you to tell me the time. Say it out loud before I say it. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at this clock. The short hand is on the 10, and the long hand is on the 3. What time is it? It's 10:15. Did you get it right? Amazing! Okay, here's another one. The short hand is on the 6, and the long hand is on the 6 too. What time is it? Right, it's 6:30. Nice work. All right, here's a tricky one. The short hand is almost on the 5, and the long hand is on the 9. What time is it? It's 4:45. You're so good at this. Here's another one. The short hand is on the 11, and the long hand is on the 6. What time is it? That's right. It's 11:30. Maybe that's when you have lunch at school. All right, one more. The short hand is on the 1, and the long hand is on the 3. What time is it? That's right. It's 1:15. You got them all. You're a time superstar. Great job. You did such a great job today, friend. Let's review what we learned. Remember, look at the long hand. If it's on the 12, it's o'clock. If it's on the 3, it's quarter past. If it's on the 6, it's half past. And if it's on the 9, it's a quarter to. Next time you see a clock at home or at school, try reading it and see if you can spot a half past, a quarter past, or a quarter to. Maybe I'll see you at 10:15, or maybe at 3:30. It was so much fun learning with you today. If you had fun today, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new adventure. Bye, friends.